Привет всем! Как дела? Write in comments how are you feeling. So today's subject is possessive pronouns. Притяжательные местоимения. I'm sure you're ready for this lesson. If not, watch our previous videos. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe our social media and see our website. So we start with я. When you want to say something that belongs to you, you need to say it according to the gender of the noun. So you see, possessive pronouns, we agree in number, in gender, and in case. So for the first person, if it's masculine singular, you need to say мой. Мой друг, for example, my friend. For a feminine singular, you say моя подруга. Моя. For neuter singular, you use моё яблоко. My apple. For the plural noun, you need to say мои. Мои друзья. The next pronoun is your or yours. And in Russian, it again has just four forms which you need to remember. Again, твой словарь, your dictionary. For feminine singular, твоя машина, your car. Neuter singular would be твоё окно, your window. And the plural has only one form, твои книги. So let's read the dialogues so you would understand how they are used. Это твои книги, Рената? Да, мои. So you see, they both can be used as my or mine, your or yours. Yeah, next dialogue. Это твой карандаш, Рома? Да, мой. Это твоя сестра? Нет, это моя тетя. So next pronoun is his. As you see, there are four forms again, and luckily for you, there's only one form to learn, его. Even it's written like его, but in this case it's read like его. Его дом, его тетрадь, его яблоко, его журналы. That's easy. So for the она, it's again only one form to remember. It's ее. Let's read. Ее брат, ее сестра, ее письмо, ее родители. Это книги Вадима? Да, его. Где комната Антона? Его комната слева. Это телефон Марины? Нет, это мой. Ее телефон там. So now let's turn to the plural forms of a pronoun. Our or ours. So you see there are four forms again, and the difference is just the ending. Наш дом for masculine singular. Наша книга for feminine. For neuter, it would be наше имя. And for plural, again, one form, наши яблоки. Your or yours, which means belonging to the вы. Masculine singular would be ваш дом. Feminine, ваша книга. For neuter, ваше яблоко. And for plural, ваши яблоки. And at last, the last one, it's their or theirs. Они. And you would be happy to see that there's only one form for они. It's их. Их дедушка, их мама, их молоко, их документы. Это ваши родители? Да, это мои папа и мама. Чем они занимаются? Папа инженер, а мама врач. Ваш сын студент? Нет, он работает учителем. To make it easy to learn, here is a table of all the possessive pronouns, which you can find in our website and download and learn. So there is an additional information which will help you to practice the possessive pronouns. So it is the question чей, which is translated like whose. And as you know, there are genders and numbers in Russian, so that's why чей, it changes according to number and the gender. So чей – это телефон, which is a masculine. So you can say это мой телефон, or это твой телефон, and so on. For feminine, you say чья – это гитара. Это моя гитара would be an answer. For neuter gender, you say чье. Чье это яблоко? For example, это мое яблоко. Or это твое яблоко. And at last, for plural, you use чьи. Чьи это компьютеры? Это мои компьютеры. Or это твои компьютеры. And that's all. That's it. That's quite easy. That's it, dear friends. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and don't forget to follow us and subscribe us everywhere. So bye bye, see you.